next session on operations research. In this session, we will take up the third and last numerical on the topic of dominance principle. Solve the following game using dominance rule. There are two players A and B, each have 4 strategies. We will be using the dominance principle here. The first thing to remind ourselves is player B is playing for loss minimization and player A is playing for profit maximization. So when he is playing for maximum profit, he will cancel out those rows which are having minimum value. Player B is playing for loss minimization. So player B will cancel out those columns which have higher value of loss. So we will start by comparing the two rows, the first and second one. They're equal, this is less, more, not possible. So we'll go to 1 and 3. Lesser, equal, this is equal, 0. So this is less, which means we can cancel out this one. So I'll cancel out the first one. I have compared the first and the third row. Then I can compare the second and the fourth one. Not possible, this is 16. These are also not possible. So no more row cancellation possible. I'll go for column scanning and cancellation. This is less, this is more. So not possible. Compare 1 and 3. This is more, and this is 0. So I can cancel out this value because it is giving more loss. So this is the second one. I have compared 1 and 3. Now I can compare and nothing really works over here. So now I'll go for using the average method. So first I'll calculate for player A. Here I will take 2 and 3, 3 and 4 as the average values. When I average out 2 and 3, this is 8 plus 4, 12 by 2, 6. This is also 6 and this is 8 plus 0 by 2 is 4. Then I'll calculate 3 and 4. This is 12, so this is 6. 8, so this is 4 and this is 16, so this is 8. So now let's compare and see if anything can be cancelled out. 2 and 3, so I'll compare with the fourth one. So this is 8, this is lesser, not possible. So this has not helped. So I can go for this one, 3 and 4. When I compare this with the second one, this is 8, 4, 8. This is a greater value. But I am actually trying to cancel out the lower values in the rows. So this is also not going to help at this stage. So I will go for player B. When I am solving for player B, I will calculate the average of 2 and 3, 3 and 4. So this is 6, 6, 4 and this is going to be 6, 4, 8. So I will compare vertically. So this is 6, 6, 4. So 8, 0, 16. This is not going to work. So I'll compare 3, 4 with 2. So this is 6, 4, 8 and these values are higher. So in B I want to remove those columns which are higher. So I have cancelled out the third one by using this one. Now we still have 3 rows. So let me just check if anything can be cancelled out. So if I come back over here, I can see that when I use 3, 4, that is over here, and I compare it with 2. So now this value is already gone. So this is 6 and 4 from here, and this is 4 and 8. Sorry, this value is gone. So what remains is 4 and 8. So here also we have 4 and 8. So this gets cancelled out, and what remains is only 2 of them. So this is what I get from here. Now this one has been used. So what remains is 8, 0, 0, 16. So I'll write down, therefore, the 2 by 2 matrix is 8, 0, 0, 16. Also, I'll write down the numbers. This is the third and this is the fourth one for player A. And for player B, this is also 3 and 4. So I will start solving using the odds principle. So I'll write down by odds principle or by odds method. What I get is 8 minus 0 is 8 and 0 minus 16 is 16. So here I'll get 8 minus 0 is 8 and again 0 minus 16 is minus 16, which becomes 16 here. Summation is 24. So therefore the value of game is 24. The probability of game happening is 8 into 16 plus 0 into 8 divided by 24. So what remains is 8 into 16 by 24. So this is 16 by 3. So we will write down the probability of the strategies that are possible. So when I have P of A3, this is 16 by 24, which is 2 by 3. Probability of A choosing the fourth strategy is 8 by 24. That is 1 by 3. See, the summation of both is 1. Then the probability of B choosing the third strategy is 16 by 24. Again, you can see from here. So this is 2 by 3. And probability of B choosing the fourth strategy is 8 by 24, which is again 1 by 3. So this entire thing is the answer for this question. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the numericals on dominance principle. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.